the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you never.
Alright everyone, welcome back. We're lost because Chevy had to go this way. And he made me stop recording because he didn't want to prove he got lost. Right?
Not me.
You have to admit it. No, I stopped it because I was like, ew! I have nothing to say, but whatever. Let's try. Just walk. And, just walk. You're fat. It's like, no. Hello, water. He's like, maybe turn it off. Should I?
Do what?
I don't know. Hello. What are we doing?
About to be done with walking.
Are we? No, we're not.
Huh?
Uh-uh.
Yeah.
How are we?
We've already gone half an hour.
Oh, we haven't. That's not far enough. Look, there was alcoholics here. Oh my lord, Bounty, clean your trash up. Yeah, we're hopefully gonna fly the drone. There's construction people there. So we figured we'd do our walk first. What was that? And yeah. Check it back out later. Check. Alright, that's you making noises. You better quit that. Yeah. She probably followed me. What? So it's about to get real hot again. Who knows? Power might go out again. Get ready, folks. But so we're out enjoying today while we can.
It's supposed to be like the summer of '88.
Yeah, I don't know about that because, you know, wasn't born yet, but supposedly it's supposed to be about like the summer of '88. I don't know what that was about. What was it? You want to tell us?
You remember it?
No, I don't.
You're about 15.
Oh, yeah, okay. You want to tell us about this?
Huh?
You gonna tell me?
It was hot.
It was, is that, I swear if that's all you said.
7 to 10, 100-degree days, followed by all 90 degrees. We were in a weird drought.
Oh, Lord. What else? Anything? Anything else? No? No more information? Alright, now we're gonna go up this path.
Where did this go?
Well, I don't know, but this is the path I originally told him to take.
You did not.
What? Say you swear.
I swear.
What? You're not supposed to say that. Looks kind of cool and freaky and creepy. Don't be making noises. I see your thing. Oh, it would have came up here. That's what I told you. So, what's up? I'm being boring. I don't care. I'm walking. That's all that matters, right? Yes, we love it. What is the temperature? where you are right now. Ooh, and what is the gas prices? That's something else I want to know. Hello, bird. I'm too fat for this hill. They should rank hills by fatness. Like obese level 1 hill. We made it up the hill. That was so hard, y'all. Like, seriously, you don't know how fat I am. Alright. Do you remember which way? Ooh, wasn't it like icy last time we did this? There's like a bug bothering me. Oh, well, we don't want to go that way. Let's see what this says. Life is about the journey, not the destination. Take care. I don't know what GB is, but yay, thank you for that. We love that. All right, so we're going to go left. Burn off some of these fat calories. Ooh, and then we got to go home. What time is it? We got to go home and grill all our prepper Weight Watcher food. Oh, for corn. Oh my god. Maybe there's a farmer's thing.
Tomorrow.
No, not the farmer's market. Like, I think that one farm store would have corn.
Oh yeah.
Hmm.
See what they got, but oh, no, this takes a step.
What?
This must take a step.
What? Does it?
Yeah.
Does it?
There it is.
No. Ew, we see it maybe, but we no. Ew. No, we are not stopping.
Another car.
Nope. I don't even remember where our car is. I think we're lost. No, see?
Where are we?
I don't know. Who knows? You better get on, what's that web app thing? Or you should get on it and see what it says.
Say you're lost.
Huh?
Just say you're lost.
Well, that's a known fact. There's
Name
a
of that app.
iTrails or trails or I don't know. All trails. Is your watch calculating our steps? He don't answer. I don't know it.
Huh?
Does that tell you it up here? I don't know, maybe. ASMR. See, I should have just made this ASMR. It's not like I have anything to say. This looks like it's all overgrown. Hmm? Observation of what? The trees, yay. Maybe we'll see something, who knows. Oh wait, there's a river right there. Never mind, hold on, let me be quiet. See what we see, folks. Yeah, there's the river, Scioto River, I guess. Hello, Mr. River. How are you? What's down there? Trolls. Hello, trolls. You are where you belong, beneath me. Looks awesome. Not really, it needs cut back, but yeah. Ooh, Mr. Chevy, keep up, sir. This takes us to a very long trail? I don't think. You think? Well, it probably goes all the way around here, huh? You think? Well, we'll just try it. We'll just see how far it goes. What's this mean? This is a backpack trail. This means you bring snacks and water because your ass gonna get lost for hours. Oh my lord. That's all it says. That's terrible. It says make sure you bring a buddy because you ain't gonna survive. Oh, you're lucky I'm with you. Come on. Look how deep it goes right there. Huh? Look at this. Oh, it's very, very steep. Are you ready? Like if you fought, I would make great footage. Huh? You can do it? You could do it. No, I mean, but you could walk down this hill, right? Really? I wouldn't have thought that. What? What do you mean you wait? For how long? You might get eaten. Wait, what do you mean leave? Wait, no, we have to... You're not coming down here? Oh my lord. Okay, excuse me. Beep. 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 Ow. Alright, which way should we go? Which way should we go? Yes, ma'am. Okay, we've been walking farther than y'all know, so don't be...
Somebody had to turn the camera off.
I did, I got it. Just cause I was boring, like now. It was stupid. I was like, ew. Just don't talk. Alright, but whatever. Well, I gotta like show like clips of like, hello, look at that beauty. It's so awesome. Hear the birdies. We're gonna go home and grill out and play with the animals outside. After we stop and get corn. Is there anything else we want? Ooh, I want cucumber and tomato. And, oh, we have onion. Ooh, we need more salad dressing. Wait, this way? Where's this go?
I have no idea. You turned this way.
I don't know.
What is this building?
I don't know, there's people, there was a bunch of people over here.
I don't see nobody.
There was like 100.
Ain't nobody.
Oh, maybe that's them? No, that's different people. Oh, I swear there was like 100 people. Watch, you see them. Wait, where's this go? Because I don't want to walk on the road. I don't know. I think we will have to. Look, hello all my imaginary people. Oh my lord.
Story time.
Where does it go? Nowhere. I don't want to take the road.
Well, why did you come this way?
I don't know. Now we have to go this way. I'm not taking the road. I think I'm a hooker. I'm like, no. That's retired. Sometimes. Ooh, look at that pretty rock. Ooh, where's that squirrel? I want to see that squirrel again. Hmm? I could have had a good, cute clip of a squirrel, but Chevy ruined it. Where are they walking? Is that a kitty cat? Is that cat? Is that cat? What is that? Oh, it's a puppy. Aw. Cute puppy. Howdy. Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
I got walk.
Cool. What do you say? Oh.
Cool.
I don't know. I was trying to be polite, but I didn't know what he said. You told me, so cool matched.
You should have done all.
Oh, should I go back? I don't know. Where are we at? I don't remember this. Huh?
What do you mean?
Oh, there's the bench. You want to go that way? You sure?
It's the only other way to go.
Are you tricking me?
Well, you keep walking in front of me
Because I'm recording.
because you pushed me over to the side.
Because I'm going to eventually push you over the edge.
You heard it.
They heard nothing. Oh, look at that bird. It's tiny. Ooh, there's more of them. Hello. You're gonna walk in front of me. You not care? I don't care.
I need to make sure that you haven't pushed me over the edge yet.
No, then they get a better view of it. Ew, what if you did fall? They would. Ew, one day you're gonna fall and they're like, he said it in the video a year ago. No, don't blame me, people.
Remember this day.
Mm-mm. I'll wait 2 years. No.
I'll tag it on my channel.
What's that mean?
Huh?
What's that mean? Do you know where this trail goes? This looks like this might go long.
Should get back to my car.
Okay, can we slow down? Because I like to just slowly walk because I'm
You're
fat.
the one that walks so fast.
But I'm fat. And I'm fat. Ooh, let's go back there. Huh? Might be an alligator. No. Ooh, don't say that. Don't say that. It looks where Bigfoot would live. Looks what? I don't know. He's always like so pessimistic about everything to discourage me. Is it a lie?
Because you don't think about some of these things.
Oh, Lord.
Is that a lie?
I guess you are much older and wiser.
Wiser. You're pretty close.
What? Don't ever in your life lie.
There's a few months between us.
There's 24 years.
No way.
I'm totally gonna clip this for ASMR walking.
Do what?
I don't know.
You
You ruined it. You always ruin it. Okay, you are walking way too fast, mister.
I keep up with you.
Lies. I'm trying to keep up with you.
I think so.
Oh, someone stole my new shoes. I just bought shoes, right? And they're gone.
I don't remember you buying shoes.
No, I did. I got new shoes. At Kohl's.
Huh?
Yeah. Or somewhere. I did. I just got new shoes. And a whole bunch of new clothes. And they're all gone. Huh?
I don't know.
They disappeared.
Some of them are in the garage.
What? Are they? Oh, well maybe that's where they're at. Can you stop, please? Hello? No, don't say that. I doubt there's any mice with that lady across the street with her 10 million cats. You know, the one that has the twin doppelganger. One looks normal, one looks scary. Yeah, see, you know. I know, we're about to be stuck. You have to slow down. I have to like go extremely slow up this hill. This is a low battery hill. What is that? That's not a butterfly. Well, I'm looking at nature, not just trying to walk. Hello, enjoy it, love it, lick it. No.
Lick it.
What? No.
Ew.
Oh, you. I have fresh socks on. What? What? You're right. Nah, dang, no one time.
Huh?
I only had to do that once.
On the way.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
I shipped them. Was it supposed to rain? I be walking all over the place. That's where Bella probably learned it. She's like, this is how my dad walks. Over here. And over here. That's how it's done. Do you know where this goes?
No idea.
Ooh, what if we're lost? Okay, slow down because I'm like, I'm just too fat. Is this a path? No. No, you're going too fast. Hello. You slow down, sir. Madam. Ooh, Nancy, Felicia. Hooker. Ooh, carry me. It's too hot. It's already, I feel the heat coming. I bet it is actually. What's the temperature now?
85.
Is it? That's terrible. Is that where the car is?
It'd be too hot car to run.
No, you can't be too hot.
Yeah.
It's not. It's not.
You're supposed to take that class in that.
No, I don't want to. How far does it say we walked?
5 miles.
No. What does it say?
4.87.
Huh?
4.87.
You're full of shit. What's it say?
Huh?
26 minutes is what I see. What's the miles? Can you just tell me?
6 minutes, 59 seconds per mile.
What?
Duration.
What?
27 minutes.
What's...
You've completed
Took you
1 mile.
27 minutes to walk a mile.
Repeat. Oh, is that what it said?
You're slow.
27 minutes for a mile. That is so slow. Ooh. Told you I'm fat. It's okay. At least I walked a mile. Is that how far we walked the mile?
Yeah.
So, well, we've walked further than that. You didn't start your watch. And we're not done yet. It's the end of the world. Tell them the truth. It's like, no. And then we gotta do it again. Now we have to do it all over. What? Who, me? I don't see the car actually.
Huh?
Where is the car? I think it's gone. We gotta go this way and then go to that observation deck. Yeah. Feather. There's a lot of these little blue dragonflies. What is that? Bigfoot? Are you trying to hit me with it? I hear you doing some.
What?
Are you trying to hit me with a rock? That's probably a good thing. We should find like some help. We should get frosty paws for Bella because it's gonna be hot, and we should find like a healthy ice cream for us. A healthy. I know, and she doesn't get one today, fool. She can have one if it's hot, you know. Where did they come? Was that some people that was over there? No. I don't believe that. That's pretty much where we started.
Alright.
What they do now? We went down that hill over there where you saw them people coming up. This is the observation deck. Well, there's a few of them here, but this is the one we started with that you didn't see till now. Maybe that squirrel's back. Hello. So there we go, folks. It's our little walk for day. How far does that say?
1.25.
1.25. So that's how far y'all joined us for. I hope you enjoyed that. That was where are we at again? Do you remember? I don't know.
Scioto Grove.
Scioto Grove. Yeah. We did 1.25. We walked down that hill.
2 miles an hour.
We walked 2.2 miles an hour. Slow pace, who cares? We walked down that hill, then down there, and then through there. Blase blah. There you go. Hope you guys get out and get some steps and go for a walk. Stay cool if it's hot. And until next time, always remember, be happy, be healthy, and go enjoy a walk, folks. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never